what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the guitar. If you guys want to check out the ukulele version, it'll have it somewhere around here about this time. So I'm going to teach the chords, strum pattern, and then we'll go into the picking. Alright, so the first chord we're going to use is an F major 7. You guys can use the F if you guys want to, but what I'm doing is the F major 7. Second chord is going to be an A minor or an A minor 7. I like to use the A minor 7 here. The last chord is going to be an E minor. Okay, so F major 7, A minor or A minor 7, and an E minor. So here's an example of the strum pattern that I'll be teaching you guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Strum pattern there. I'm going to break it down with the chords. So the F major 7, we're going to go down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So with the chord, it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then with the A minor or A minor 7, you're going to go down, down, up, down, up. And we're not going to go again because it's a shorter chord. You're going to go to E minor. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so those two, the A minor, E minor, those are going to be shorter. Starting with the F major 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, there's that little hammer on here on the F major 7, so. You guys can do that too, so. Alright, so starting with the picking, I have the tabs on the screen for you guys. Here it goes. Okay, so 8, 7, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 2. That's the first one, and the second one goes. So 2, 3, and then so start from the beginning. I'll go. So that was the first half. Now the second half, you're gonna do the same thing again. So, and then the last part, we're gonna slide. You can slide it to 5, or you can just play 5. So. So it goes. So starting from that second half, it goes. Alright, so I'm going to strum the chords, and I'll have my guitar playing in the background. You guys can play along with it. So I'll try to go slow, and here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was the guitar tutorial of the new song, Your Power. Thanks again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. I'm trying to get to 50,000 subscribers. Check out the other video that I'm going to have on this too. But I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.